Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I am going to show you how to set live wallpaper on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and want to use live wallpaper on iPhone screen, then I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to scroll it down. Here you will find the option of wallpapers. You need to click on this one, and guys you need to click on add new wallpaper. And guys, from here you can easily select your live wallpapers. Here is the option of live photos. So guys, simply you need to click on featured, and guys after this you need to you will find here live wallpaper. So guys, if still not find, then guys simply you need to click on here is the option, scroll it down. So guys, you will find many of wallpapers here. So guys, if not find here live wallpapers, then guys you need to go back, and guys you need to download the app. That is so guys, I'll tell you what app you need to download in your iPhone. So guys, here you can see Wallcraft app. Simply you need to download this app from App Store, and guys after downloading this app, then guys you need to open this app, and guys you can see here the option of live. So guys, simply you need to click on this tab, and guys all the live wallpapers are available in this tab. So guys, simply you can download or use wallpapers on your iPhone easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.